Do you have an error with the Galasoft MVVM Light Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get Galasoft working again. Before starting the detailed Galasoft MVVM Light Library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Galasoft MVVM Light Library, a foundational library for apps using the MVVM pattern on .NET. It manages localized messaging and platform-specific behavior, like dispatching. If missing, specialized modern utilities, like trainers or sync tools, will crash immediately upon launch, citing an assembly load failure. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Since Galasoft MVVM Light Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Galasoft toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Galasoft MVVM Light Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Be aware that manual interventions for Galasoft MVVM Light Library DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your Galasoft MVVM Light Library environment. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Galasoft MVVM Light Library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.